Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What amazing, awesome, just incredible day today. And so we are at day 10 of the power of shared meals. Every family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strengthen and have unity. Over the past few days, we've explored various ways to strengthen our family's bonds. Today, let's focus on a simple yet profound practice, sharing meals together without technology, right? Message in our fast-paced lives, it's easy to overlook the importance of eating together. However, sharing meals is more than just about food. It's about connection. Studies have shown that families who dine together experience better communication, stronger relationships, and even improve mental health. It's a time to pause, share stories, and foster a sense of belonging. So today, here's the challenge. As you gather your family for a meal without distractions, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, turn off the devices, sit together, and engage in meaningful conversation. Ask each other about your day, share the laugh and this savor of the moment, and then just shared meals nourish both the body and soul. So let's reset our routines to include this valuable time together. We'll see you tomorrow for another step forward of strength and unity. Just make sure that when you do share your meal, all distractions are taken away. Yes, have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.